Hey guys, I've been magnetizing all of my minis here lately for transportation and storage purposes. It's been putting rare earth magnets on the bottom of them. But then the other day I had the idea to make this board because when I airbrush, sometimes these light miniatures get blown around. So I just took this board, put some holes in it, stuck in some rare earth magnets. Now I've got something that holds the minis when I'm airbrushing them. I took it one step further and made these painting handles. Just cut down a dowel rod into a few sections, uh, put magnets in both sides. That way, one side can attach the mini and you can hold it and paint it. But then also, it can stick to that board, or you can stick it on a toolbox or a metal ruler, anything else to keep them from falling over. But just a quick, cheap trick that anybody can try at home. Thanks, guys.